Hey guys, welcome back to my GitHub tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about git diff cast. In my last video I described about git diff stays, and according to the GitHub documentation, git diff stays and git diff cast, they are similar to each other. Thus, in order to verify the command, here I'm going to first verify whether my head is synchronized with the index stage area or not. For that I'm gonna type git diff //staged stage. Similarly, git diff //cast. So everything is similar. Let's synchronize my local repo with the remote GitHub repo. For that I'm gonna type git push origin master. So everything is up to date. Thus I'm gonna modify this loop.py file here, and I'm gonna type 99. I'm gonna type 99 at the end for Elantra, for Kia, and for Lambo. Then here I will type git status. So we just modified loop.py, so let's add this modified file to the stage or index area. For that, type git add loop.py. So we added this file to the index area. Now let's use our command, that is git diff //staged stage. So we found the comparison. This one is present inside the head and this one is present in the index area. Similarly, let's use the git diff //cached cast. So we found the same the difference. That means git diff stage and git diff cast, they are similar to each other. So here I would like to go to this png file, and here you can see that git diff cast or git diff stage will compare from head to the index area. So even you can check this png file, git diff stage or git diff cast, they will compare between head and stage index. So what you can do is you can make a commit here, then cast commit, then you can run your command again, git diff //cached. So nothing is found here. That means we verified the command successfully. Guys, if you want to know more, please follow my next tutorial. Thank you.